All right, so my name's Kevin. I'm the CEO of the company Funguana. We're an automated trading platform, and I want to actually talk about the experiences that we had right before creating the platform. I'm sitting with my friend over here, Alex. He's really great at marketing.
Yeah, currently a marketing student, secretary of my school's marketing club, and really into it as a concept.
Yeah, he's really fucking good, and he loves cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
And he's seen some shit inside of this industry too. So you know,
a lot of mistakes trading.
A lot of mistakes trading. Like he completely up on like trading basically.
Dogecoin, Monocoin.
Dogecoin. I mean, come on, how do you Dogecoin though? Like everybody just.
I undervalued it, and I ended up with a lot more of it than my entire wallet's worth right now. But there was a point I had almost 30k Dogecoin, where now it would be closer to 14 or 15, and
yeah, you done fucked up. I shouldn't be saying that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be going on public YouTube. Okay, it's all good. So some background, I lost a lot of money with cryptocurrency one day, and then I started looking for a lot of alternatives to make me money while not losing money. So one of the things I went through was mining, right? But the problem was it was hot as
yeah.
I shouldn't be saying the F word either. It's okay, it doesn't matter.
Sure.
I can just bleep it out. And not only that, sometimes I had moving problems because I had to move between locations, and it was just sometimes I had to not really turn it on because the electricity cost too damn much, and
just an inconsistent way to generate crypto.
Yeah, it was a very inconsistent way to generate crypto. I mean, I ended up making back almost the amount that I spent for my mining rig, but even beyond that, it took a lot. It took a long time, a good.
Yeah. And if you look at GPUs now, the return on investment gets farther and farther out.
Yeah, exactly. And so it was kind of a waste. It's cool now because I can do really cool calculations using my computers, play video games, play League of Legends.
But if you only want GPUs for mining, they're kind of silly at this point.
Yeah, exactly. So I also tried out a nice little product called. We can't really say their name for trademark issues, possibly, but it rhymes with Shit Connect. And yeah, that was a thing that completely sucked.
Yeah.
It was cool because I was making 1% a day, but it had one teensy little problem.
It was 1% of garbage.
Yeah, it was a complete fucking scam.
Yeah.
By the way, there's going to be a lot of bleeped out words inside of here because
the nature of this program.
Yeah, the nature of this program. The nature of this industry is just memes and curse words and money.
Yeah. It's
like Wall Street, but better, A little bit less cocaine, unless people like cocaine, in which case that's what they do.
Yeah.
Right?
We don't judge.
Yeah, we don't judge you guys doing cocaine. Yeah. All right. And then I went ahead and I tried out something called Gunbot. Nah, that was cool and everything like that. The only problem was that I still kind of lost money. It's I lost a lot of money on that. I was losing 1% a day. So I had almost no money in that account.
And when you're losing your wallet value, you're losing your investability.
Yeah, exactly. And that completely freaking sucked, man. Dude.
Every dollar you lose out of that is a dollar you're not gaining on, which is really important.
We realized there were some problems that were kind of going on in the industry. Number one was that everybody either overvalued or undervalued tokens. And when it was time to put in and pull out, nobody really know how to do it, right? You pull out wrong, right? Eventually you're going to end up having a really bad, few years of your life, next few years of your life, monetarily, not necessarily with kids, but
then if you leave your value into one of these tokens too long, and then the technology or product doesn't end up working out, then you're out even more money.
Yeah, then you're out even more money, and it kind of sucks, right? The trading bot I thought would have been a great idea for what I was doing. Gunbot was the name of it. That's right. I'm advertising another thing while advertising this video. I'm probably gonna speed this up so everybody can kind of hear my voice be a little bit squeakier. Okay, yeah. So, but then the other problem is that these bots that people are selling to people, you have to mess around with the settings, and you only can do one exchange, and like, it wasn't just like an easy setup for me, right? It took me a while to set it up. And when I did set it up, I didn't set it up right. When I didn't set it up right, I lost money, right? Yeah. And like, come on now, like, you can't make everything difficult for the person, right? Like, that just freaking sucks.
No, and one of the advantages of an automated trading platform is supposed to be pooling to some degree, being able to make decisions as a hive mind, where it's a software that forces you to make your own decisions, more or less.
Yeah, exactly, right? Yeah. And should we bleep out a burp too?
Maybe.
No, we're not going to bleep out a burp.
This is the Rick and Morty version of the crypto.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe it is.
Yeah.
So it was complicated. It was like completely sucks. True story. And had way too many controls just to like, actually get things right. And even if you got things right, it would like, you have to have new controls sometimes to be able to get things right again. And that, which is not fun. So basically we automated the automation. So we automated like you configuring settings for an automated trading bot, and then automated you trying to have to set it up in order to make things actually work out. And, we basically automated the entire part, so you can just go and play with your kids or do whatever.
Through
hypothetically
machine learning.
Yeah, machine learning and data analytics. And we decided to put a platform on it called Funguana Inc. And highlight time. Woo, it looks so fucking pretty. Yeah. Looks like the Starbucks logo. Yeah, somebody made a joke saying it looked like the Starbucks logo, but don't pay attention to that. Yeah,
Starbucks,
it's totally an iguana.
Badass.
Yeah, exactly. It's still good though. So what do we do per se, right? So what is Funguana Inc? So number one, we get your API keys, but we don't get the API keys allowed, like withdraw money away from your account, because that's like a move. We gotta really bleep a lot of stuff out, man. Okay. So we won't allow you to give us withdraw access, so we can't take the money out of your account. Right? That's not legal, right? And you subscribe, with, anywhere between $35 to $75 a month. The average being about $50 a month, of, subscription, right?
Your target.
Yeah, it's like, that's the target. Actually that's the best, like, benefits package, right? 75, it's like if you really love our software and you want to make like 10 times more money. 10 times more money, yeah, then you pay the 75, and that just be your fun little thing. But so what we do is we just basically like trade on your account for you on a minute by minute basis, meaning that like if maybe the coin you're watching pump and dumps, like, we can catch the pump at the peak and then basically sell off before even the people who are trying to sell off the pump sell off, right? It's like trippy, actually, now that I think about it. Yeah,
well, you're calculating what the market's doing, so the second people stop buying the coin, it's going to start selling.
Exactly.
In a pump and dump scenario.
So it basically, like, we know exactly, like, we have all this automation that's going on in the background, and we're actually going to be doing a demo for this project after this video. This is like an intro. So basically we get your API keys and we trade on your behalf, so you don't have to do anything yourself. You just have to set up the account and get the money into it. But we're not specializing in that. We don't care. That's Coinbase.
Yeah.
Oh wait, are we going to be sued by Coinbase for saying their name?
I mean, not if we're...
Maybe we're advertising for them. Yeah,
it is advertising, pretty much acknowledging that they're a viable platform.
They're a very viable platform for it, and they haven't failed me yet.
Yeah. Service fees are kind of going down with the Lightning Network stuff,
really?
too. Yeah, that's what I've heard.
No freaking way.
Because they get charged less moving everything around, so they can sort of pass that down. And now that they're actually batching transactions with Setwick, it's reducing like all of their fees substantially.
Wow, okay. Well, I mean, you just heard it from the best, Alex.
Maybe not the best, but
he's the bomb. He's the bee's knees.
I spend a lot of time on the Google box. And
yeah. Okay. So I know what you guys might be asking. If you're subscribing to our service, why would we care if you gain money or not, right? Like if you lose money, like, we could just get money for whatever, right? And that'd just be like a thing. And like we wouldn't really even mind or care or anything else like that. Well, we came up with an idea, a nice little strategy in order to help it make sure that as you gain, like, as you gain, we gain, and then you gain again. Okay. So what we're doing is we're taking $10 of your subscription, and we're gonna allocate the money in a different way, like for you. We're gonna give $10 out of like you give $50. We're gonna take $10 of that and give it back to you. And 50% goes to a coin of our choice, something that we think is gonna have good long-term value. And then 50% goes to our own internal cryptocurrency. So we're gonna create our own token for the platform. But it's going to have special properties to it. It's a secret for now, you know, you know, it's going to be amazing.
It's going to be focused on usability for the most part. And as the platform grows, the value of the token should grow as well. So it's sort of investing our initial users in our success.
Exactly. So we'll use the gains from subscriptions and the internal bot for burning our own coin, right? You know, so so we'll be able to like get rid of some of it. Yeah. So the value of whatever you get goes up. And so that way, like as you guys are sitting on our platform, you're going to be making money on the fact that you're making money on the fact that you're subscribing to us to make money. So it's like automation on automation on automation on winning on winning on winning. Yeah. And all we do is win, no matter what.
Eventually, we're going to stack all of these wins to the moon.
To the moon. Yeah. And then maybe we're going to put a Tesla on Mars.
Yeah. Because
possibly. Yeah, I mean, that sounds like a great idea.
It's all the rage these days.
Yeah, exactly. So, we're full of wins, right? You know, we have Captain... wait, this is not Captain Kirk. What's the guy's name? Is this Captain Kirk? This can't be Captain Kirk.
I'm more of a Star Wars versus a Star Trek.
I mean, it's not Captain Kirk, though. Captain Kirk is, like, swagger. He's, like, smooth.
Is that Picard, then? Is that the other one?
It might be Picard, yeah. But, you know, he's in space right now. That's where your portfolio is going to be. It's going to be beyond the moon. Out of this world. Okay, so I hope you liked our video. So what I'm asking from you guys right now is if you're interested in a product that will do automated trading for you, you know, all you just have to do is subscribe and you know, pay money each month and we make money for you. Go to the site funguana.com, and on the front of the page, you can just put in your email, and
you'll be first to know when
this actually releases out. Yeah. But even better, we're going to have a referral programs before we even launch that will give you extra benefits as well.
So tell your friends.
After we give you the referral code, though. Yeah. We're going to email you the referral code probably within like a week, maybe less. We're still trying to figure out exactly all the fun bits that we're going to add to it.
All the details.
Yeah, exactly. So, all right, kiddies, have a great one. Also stick around for the video that we're going to have after. That's going to be the demo. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Demo of the products, so you can see how it'll work. And you'll be happy that you stayed around. Okay. Bye.